Ako po si Janine and welcome to my Jabbering JJ channel. So for today, gagawa po tayo ng haul from Shimiso or also known as Shimivogue. Ayan. So, inline siya ng Miniso and Daiso here in Dubai. And it's recommended to me by Crizel. Hi Zel, if you're watching. It's located on the second floor of Burjuman Mall. This is supposed to be a 50 dirham haul. But since na-enjoy ko yung pag-shopping, so magpas ako ng 100. So, let's start. So, first is yung shades. I have bought 3 pieces. So I have this one. Ito yung pinakamanipis yung lens niya. It's bali blue lang siya, tapos may kulay lang yung pinakaharap. And then I also have this. Ayan. Kaso ito hindi ko kasi sinukat. Maluwag siya sa akin, wala kasing kakapitan sa ilong. So itong last is yung pinakagusto ko. Yung first two is 20 dirhams each. And this is for only 15. Yan. Matte pink siya. And yan. Round yung pinaka-lens niya. Second one is the pair of slippers. It's made with rubber. And it's also... Most of the items in Shimivogue is 7 dirhams, pero hindi siya katulad sa Daiso na kapag walang price tag is 7 dirhams. So, kailangan magtanong kayo sa staff nila just to make sure. So, yeah. Getting back with that, it's a pair of slippers. Yan. Light pink. And clear lang yung sa taas niya. Yan. 7 dirhams lang siya. And then for the third one, paddle brush. Yeah. Since nawala ko kasi yung isa kong brush na purple, kaso lang ito hindi ko kasi napansin, tsaka last piece na rin siya. Meron siyang gas-gas sa likod. Pero okay lang din. Magagamit naman din naman siya halata. And also gray is another favorite color of mine. And yeah. And then I also got a pack of oil blotting sheets for 7 dirhams also. 40 sheets each. So, tatry natin kung effective siya. And then, I also have a pair of chopsticks and spoon. Binili ko to hindi para sa akin. Actually, for ano siya, for Iya. Kaso napansin ko meron din pala nito dyan sa Pinas. So, ewan ko baka mas mura pa nga eh. So, next time na natin ito ipapadala kapag may nagbakasyon. And the last thing that I've got is these headphones, which is 29 dirhams. And actually, hindi ko naman siya kailangan. Pero dahil naengganyo ako sa color niya, it's baby pink with gray. Ayan. So, buksan natin. Tapos, meron siyang wire. Yan. So, nakalagay is headphone design for iPad smartphones. Yan. So, total of all the items that I've got is, lagpas siya ng 100. I think, less than 120. So, yun. And that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Bye!